Hi, good morning everyone. I am B. Vijay Krishna, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now we will discuss about the CNC lathe machine. CNC lathe machine is nothing but a computer numerical control lathe machine in which we will do such some operations so that production will be increased in a larger volume. We will discuss this in detail. Right, welcome to CNC working on turning machine. Okay, we have an instrument called CNC turning in our syllabus, so we will be discussing about the CNC turning. Initially, CNC is nothing but computer numerical control. Okay, that one will be attached to our manufacturing machine. Okay, here we will be doing the turning process on the machine. Turning is nothing but removing the material on cylindrical parts. Okay, removing the material on cylindrical parts. You have a conventional or manual turning machines also there, but in CNC machine you can be doing a number of turning process in a minute. Okay, in turning conventional machine it will take more amount of time to do the one product, but in CNC machine in a minute it will be do the turning process, number of turning process. This is about the CNC turning machine manufactured by Lokesh Industries. Okay, now we will see about the turning machine. This we will call as a control panel or meaning a computer over here. Here, this CNC machine works with the help of G codes and N codes. Okay, these G codes and N codes you will be learning in the 4th year of mechanical engineering syllabus. Based upon G codes and N codes, you will write a small program you can see over here. That program will be inside over here. Okay, for turning process, one program will be there. For milling process, one program will be there. Okay, once you have given the program, feed it in the computer, then if you set all the conditions required for your manufacturing process, then the process will take place. Okay, this is the control panel over here, and this is the feed adjustment wheel, hand wheel will call. If you enter this one, the tool will move over here. Now I will try to see inside the machine over here. Come closer. Okay, this is we will call as a check, and inside which we will be workpiece will be holded. Okay, this sharp point we will call as tool, which will remove the material, and this is a coolant or coolant pipe. Okay, because when material is removed from the metal, the objects get heated. That heat has to be removed with the help of the coolant. That coolant will come from this one. Okay, these are the tools. Tools are there. This is a tool holding devices. You can see two tools over here. One tool over here and another tool over here. Okay, this is check where workpiece we will be placed, and once the program is started, then you will get the process over here. Turning is nothing but removing the material from this circuit. Suppose the diameter is 50 mm. Suppose the diameter is 50 mm, then if you want 45 mm, then it will remove the material over here. Now you can see over there, a tool is stepped backward. Okay, you can see the programming control over there. You can see their check is rotating. Check is rotating, and the tool is coming nearer to the workpiece. Now see here, tool is coming closer to the workpiece. Now you are removing the material on the workpiece. Now you see the strips coming out of that one. The tool is moving closer to the workpiece. We have, see now the chips are removing. The diameter will be removed up to the given distance, whatever the distance we have feeded in the CNC machine. Suppose it is 100 mm long rod, Then we will give up to 20 mm, you have to remove the material. Now you can see the diameter is decreased on that one. That we will call as a step turning. Okay, two steps are there. In first step, diameter is like 40 mm and the main diameter is 50 mm. Like that, according to the given shape, we have to do the turning process. Okay. In this way you get the product. You will be reducing the diameter of the shaft at a different mm. The first one like 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm and 50 mm diameter. Right. Simply you have to feed the program and rest of the part it will be doing its own. While writing the program only you have to be careful while mentioning the dimensions and diameters accordingly. This is about working on CNC lathe machine or CNC turning machine. In previous experiment, we have seen about what we call CNC turning machine. Now we will see CNC milling machine over there. Okay? In turning is nothing but removing the material from the rotating part. Any cylindrical parts will be there, that will be kept in the check and it will be rotated and the material will be removed. But in machining process or milling process, we will be removing the material from the stationary workpiece. Okay, this is about the CNC milling machine. Okay, and this is the control panel. We fix it within a computer. Here we will be inputting what we call a program which consists of G codes and M codes. We have to write the program using the G codes and M codes. G codes is nothing but geometrical codes we will say, and M codes are nothing but miscellaneous codes which are used for starting the tool, stopping the tool, starting the coolant, stopping the coolant, like that. Miscellaneous parts will be there. Geometrical tools is nothing but tool should be moved forward, backward, with a dimension of 10 mm, 20 mm, like that. It has to be given with the help of the G codes. This is about the CNC milling machine. Okay. Now we will see inside the milling machine. Workpiece, it is the stationary over there, and the tool will be removed front and back, to and fro. It will be moved. Okay. With the help of, you can see this is the tool post. You can be here, you have as a single point cutting tool, and here you have in the milling cutting tool, which will make the slot, bigger slot over there. Now we will try to see this process. Pause it. अरे काका ये वडलेस ఎట్లా అవుతుంది? Now we will start the machine. The tool is coming down and also tool is rotating. See, the tool is removing the material on the flat workpiece. It will remove the material according to our given dimensions and the field. Okay. Like that, you will be removing the material over here. See, some 2 mm of material is removed from the top of the surface. You can see the workpiece, some layer of material is removed over there. Then the tool is come back to the original position. Like that, machining process, if you want to remove the material layer by layer, this process we will be using. If you want to remove the material in a very few workpieces, then you will use the manual machining process. If you want to remove the material in larger amount, then CNC machines are used. These machines are used mainly in the industries where large production of parts will be there. Okay, this is about the CNC machining process.
దాంట్లో మధ్యలో పెట్టుకున్నాం.
చెప్పు కాకా. Right.
నువ్వు చెప్పు డబ్బు
Now we will be doing another experiment called CNC tap drill. Nothing but we are drilling a hole on the workpiece. Now you can see what we call a tool is rotating on the workpiece. Based upon your program input, we have to, right, you see the tool is moving upwards and downwards. Your control knobs will be there to move the tool up and down, and it is moving downwards still, and the tool is rotating. The hole will be formed over there based upon the CNC input. See, here the wheel is rotating and the distance is adjusted over here. Okay, now you can see the hole over here. Right. Zoom. A hole is formed on the workpiece over here. You can see this one. A hole is formed over there. That is CNC. Okay. Simply by adjusting these control panel knobs, the tool will move upward and downwards.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.